Welcome to Kazakhstan, Dr. Arkov. It isn't often we see someone of your stature here.
I go where the work takes me.
Oh, by the way, you have the transport documents? Look for our IDA physicist. She'll tell you where you want to go.
Are you here for a reason? Who are you?
Arkov. Mikhail Arkov. And you are Miss...
Dr. Jones. Christmas Jones. Okay, take the elevator. Your friends are already down there.
Expecting Davidov? He caught a bullet instead of a plane.
You can't kill me. I'm already dead.
Not dead enough for me.
I should be grateful. You delivered the money, you killed King, and now you brought me the plane.
That bomb will never leave this place.
Neither will you. There's no point in...
Ah! Drop the gun! Now! There are too many new faces around here. Everyone to the cells.
You're an imposter. Dr. Arkov is 63 years old. Who are you?
Those men are the imposters. They're stealing the bomb.
No hard feelings, Mr. Bond. We're even. Soon, you'll feel nothing at all.
So you're a British spy. Do you have a name?
The name's Bond.